Hi guys, welcome to the Sonic Oasis. My name is Mfundo. So Rhodes has just released a Wurlitzer. I never thought those words would ever come out of my mouth, but it's true. Rhodes has just dropped a Wurlitzer plugin, and this one is based on the Model 200A. I find this to be very interesting because Rhodes and Wurlitzer were competitors, and they were both competing for the market share of the electronic piano space. And now fast forward to 2025, and now Rhodes is dropping Wurlitzers. So although both companies were competing, they both took very different routes. So Rhodes implemented tines in order to produce sound, and Wurlitzer implemented reeds in order to produce sound. And in the end, we got two very different electronic pianos with very different characters and use case scenarios. So this new plugin is called the Rhodes Wurlitzer, and it's powered by the same engine that powers the Rhodes Anthology plugin. It has a very simple user interface, virtually no menu diving, everything is right in front of you. It's only available as a plugin currently, and it retails for $129.95. If you're watching this before the 30th of June 2025, then there's an introductory offer of 30% off. I did receive a free copy of the license before the plugin was dropped for early access and in order for me to do this review, but I have not been told what to say or what to do, and neither am I being paid by Rhodes to make this video. I do, however, have an affiliate link, so if you're interested in this plugin and you also want to support the channel at no extra cost to you, make sure that you check out the link in my description. Now, I can ramble on and on about this plugin, but this is a sound demo video, so I'm just going to move straight over into the sound demos so you can hear what this plugin sounds like, and hopefully it gives you a good enough idea of what to expect. So that is the Rhodes Wurlitzer plugin. So I've never really played on a real Wurlitzer. But if I have to use like Ray Charles, Supertramp, Marvin Gaye as a reference, because they use like a real Wurlitzer in their music. If I'm using that as a reference, then yes, this plugin sounds really, really damn close. Sounds really authentic. I think the Rhodes team did a really good job at sampling and capturing the heart of this instrument. There's some modeled aspects to it as well. I think the speakers are modeled and the vibrato as well is modeled. So they didn't just sample the instrument and called it a day. You know, they actually did some work behind the scenes. So that's it from me. Thank you very much for making it this far in the video. If you enjoyed content like this, please make sure that you do subscribe as I'll make more and more content like this. And a huge special thank you to our Patreon community. Your continued support is really, really appreciated. Until the next one, I will see you later.